What's up guys, Jerry here. Today we're actually gonna do this part of our business. Not this part, but this part. Whoop whoop. What's up guys? Today we're going to wrap this trailer. We're going to put, now I say wrap, we're going to put decals on it, not really wrap, but I'm going to put some stuff on the front, stuff on the side, and stuff on the back, and then the other side same as that, and see how it goes. Looks like we got some ducks coming in to check us out, but we're going to be putting on some stuff from a Cardi inflatable. What are you looking for? I got stuff right up here. So here's their signs. Had made. He wanted some yard signs made. Did you get the alcohol? So I want to go. Let me get the tape measure out. Halfway between here and there, so 2.6. is center, right? Right?
This is 5 foot.
Yeah. Two six. Oh, where did I come from? Right there. 29. All right, blue tape. It's in her van here. I got it. And that is center. Center. Now I need, we got center, that way is 4 foot. So 24. Of course, I'm using a dry erase marker. Yep, yep, yep. All right, there's center, boom. Are we dry or?
The last one.
Is it?
And roll the whole line.
I think you want it high, don't you? That's what I was trying to do with center this way. It's actually bottom center is what I meant. What do you think? Huh? There you go, that way more. Huh? How much? You wanna be there? Huh?
I think so.
Alright, well hold this so I can get measurements on this. It should be top of letters. Yeah, we're 2 foot, so I might have to put it right there. Top letter. Damn. Right there, right there.
They got it too high. 'Cause
Yeah.
they're up about as much.
Look,
They cut it to perfect size. It's like.
edge, where you at? Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm good here. And how are you? There. That one's there. Okay, you got a hold of it? Yep. Let me get the tape. You got it? How do you want to do this? Top, bottom? Or side to side?
To the corner. Side to
Huh?
They're like.
Okay.
I'm upset about that.
Yeah. Alright. Where is that? So now. Here, you take this. Got it?
Still got it though.
Good?
I have that. Oh yeah.
Ah! Let me see. Hold it, hold it.
Gotta go a little bit farther because start
Yep. Start middle.
and do
Yep,
this.
yep.
Or you wanna go
No, start middle, come this way.
Man,
Whatever. Yeah.
diagonal.
Good.
Alright.
hold on to that. Alright, you ready?
No, I don't have no pack.
Gotta hold the bottom. Ooh, yeah. I got you. Just come this way. Oh yeah. Good. That'll come off on the plastic. I like it. Oh, get that dash. It was loose.
Got a glove in here.
I do. Rain coming back on us. May have to sit out just for a minute. Getting a little more rain. Set that in here. Get out of the rain. Yep. Take a little break, get out of the rain. Alright, so we got her done. Let's check it out, see what it looks like. On the back. Not too bad. A few little issues right here where the seam is. Kind of shrunk up around the rivets. Screws. But turned out pretty good. On that side, looking good. On that side, looking good. Looks good. Check you on the next one.